The global economy is in a transitional period, still recovering and with its problems, but with green shoots representing interesting investment opportunities, especially in the Middle East. With me is Anastasia Diakova from FBS Markets, an international brokerage company, to discuss where the opportunities lie. Well, Anastasia, FBS covers markets worldwide. What sort of investment opportunities are you seeing in the Middle East compared to other regions?
The current situation in the Middle East today can be described as unpredictable. This is a region where ISIS strengthens their positions, where Syria endures the consequences of local revolution, where Iran is expecting sanction cancellations and remains in opposition to Saudi Arabia, where Turkey claims its ambitions and the Palestine issue stays acute. However, as far as investment are concerned, it's unbelievable that despite of all the ambiguousness of the Middle East, investing there is extremely profitable, bearing in mind the richness of the Muslim world. Overall, it means that higher standard of living outweighs instability in the region.
So tell us, how have you managed to gain success in the Middle East?
FBS developed advantageous investment projects for local audience. We took into consideration the peculiarities of local mentality and best practices of doing the business in the region. Moreover, what's even more important for Arabic world, we provide our clients with opportunities to act in complete accordance with their religious commitments. We have a range of special offers, including special accounts and promotions for Muslim clients that do not contradict Sharia Islamic law.
So how unstable would you say the Middle East investment potential is, considering all the unrest in the region?
The region is unhomogeneous. It unites both stable zones, such as the UAE, and centers of tension like Yemen. Throughout several recent years, many Arabic countries saw their leaders change. In many places, ultimate Islamization became the only policy. Different countries deal with stabilization on a local level their own way. In some countries, civil protests did not take place at all. In others, they were put down by reforms, as in Jordan or Morocco, by money flows, like in Saudi Arabia, or by repressive measures, like in Bahrain. The biggest investment opportunities lay in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Turkey. Business conditions are getting better, and these countries have set a course on economic development.
The energy industry is also a major concern at the moment with the drop in oil prices. How has this impacted the Middle East and in turn the global economy?
On the one hand, lower prices catalyze development in energy-intensive sectors and come as a force for further economic progress in the world. On the other hand, however, budget profitability of oil exporters is afflicted, and employment rate in the industry drops as well. The countries of the Middle East have a fair airbag behind them: vast gold and foreign exchange reserves that help them survive an oil crisis. These states implement policy of reducing their dependability on black gold export, and downfall of oil prices will accelerate their work in this direction.
So who, in your opinion, are the main winners and losers in this situation, and what sort of outcome do you expect?
The Middle East and Saudi Arabia in particular are key players in OPEC, and they stand against reduction of crude oil production volume. The aim of such a policy is to protect market share of United oil exporters from rivalry with American light tight oil supply. If oil prices go down, break-even level for LTO suppliers would be broken much sooner. Slowdown of China's economic growth gives strong grounds for reasonable worries as far as further dynamics of oil demand is concerned. There are no true winners in this war. Currently, all parties lose to some extent. Therefore, the top priority for the Middle East should be improvement of other industry sectors that could serve as extra income generators.
So how do you envisage the investment landscape in the Middle East evolving in the months to come?
The region is developing in several fronts, including investments in infrastructure, construction, and service industry. I personally would also mark financial sector. The role of the Middle East as a world financial center, like in the UAE, UAE will unchangeably grow.
Finally, what investment opportunities do you expect to appear in the region in the future?
Middle East is an area with huge potential for our business activity, but it involves many risks. We are expecting even bigger success in investment and trading in the Middle East and fast development of Forex industry in the region. Like in every other part of the world, in the Middle East, FBS strives to go beyond online business and become as close to our clients as possible. We open local branches, improve affiliate programs, take part in financial events and exhibitions, as well as hold seminars dedicated to spreading financial literacy. We have a range of special offers for Arabic countries and flexible conditions customized for special demands of Arabic customers. For example, trading with no swaps is available on all account types. We also offer free deposit insurance program, return part of spread to clients, and give bonuses to each deposit. Moreover, especially for our Muslim clients, we will launch our annual charitable promotion in honor of holy month of Ramadan, as we do every year.